I'm Mike Santora, Associate Editor for Fluid Power World, and today we are at IQ 2015. Joining with me today is Keith Simmons from OEM Controls. Keith, thanks for being with us.
Thank you very much for having us. Appreciate it.
So tell me a little bit about what we have here today.
Well, OEM Controls is actually has two divisions to our company. One is a data acquisition or data delivery division, as well as our control products. So basically what we're showing here today is our standard and our proven electronics and products for fuel tracking. And what difference between ours and some of our competitors is that it actually tracks the fuel going into the machine, not relying solely on the CPUs of the new machinery out there. It actually controls the actual fluid that's going in the machine. So you're actually getting actual data going in. We also are showing our new operator authorization keypad module that, as pretty much what it says, you need to punch in your identification in order to turn that machine on and make it work. And it tells you exactly if you are authorized, if you're not authorized. And then also showing up here is our website. It's called equipchat.com. It's where all this data gets downloaded to. And we've created a very user-friendly GUI interface to create the reporting. You can get text messaging, email notifications of when maintenance is due or fueling is going into a truck, things like that. And lastly, I think we are showing our downloadable to an iPhone and Android phone web forms. So if you're not ready to take the plunge into the full automation side of it, but you still need to get rid of that paper tracking, it's paperless, it's on your phone. You can mark off what you're doing to the machine, who's going on the machine, who's been trained for the machine. So it's a nice little introduction to getting to a paperless system for our end user customers.
Okay. Now you told me a minute ago that this represents one facet of the company, but you have a separate facet and some equipment that you were going to show me over there as well for it, correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, great.
We'll go over there now.
Okay, Keith, thanks. Tell me a little bit about what you have here now.
Okay, so we've come to the side, the control side of our product line. This is what we started the company with back in 1966, so we're just about at our 50-year anniversary. Very excited about that. And so what we have here is a good assortment of what we do here. It doesn't show everything. OEM Controls is probably the largest provider of options as far as electronic joysticks are concerned. We have over 26 varieties of handles and about 15 varieties and sizes of joysticks between single axis, dual axis, foot pedals, so on and so forth. So we take pride in the fact that we have the ability to mass produce a customized product. So all the shapes, we have all the different shapes, but what you put in them electronically and mechanically is what really differentiates us from our competitors and what our customers are really looking for. They're looking for something that they can call their own, and that's what we're trying to provide them here. So it's a small showing of what we do have between your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 axis joysticks. The electronic configurations that we have are, again, virtually limitless between your CAM protocols, different outputs needed for different valves. We have our own surface mount technology assembly process in our facility, so everything is done inside, the design is done inside. So we have control of everything that goes into these products. And again, like I said, mass customization. Pretty much anything you want to do with these handles and these joysticks, we can figure out how to do. And we've implemented lean manufacturing techniques so we can do it over and over and over again. 10 pieces a year to 30,000 pieces a year. We have that capability.
So this is just a small sample of what you guys can do. Where can people go out there if they want to learn more about what OEM Controls has to offer?
Generally speaking, you go to www.oemcontrols.com. That, again, will only give you a brief introduction to what we can offer, because, again, you couldn't put all the options and all the availability on the website, but at least we'll give you an idea of what we have. Give us a call, go online, and we can get together and see what we can do for you that meets your best needs.
Wonderful. Well, Keith, thanks again for your time, and of course, everybody out there, thank you for watching. You can always find more videos at www.fluidpowerworld.com.